Hey guys, so for today's video, we are going to have a tutorial on model. We are going to create a drag and drop into text. Okay, so first of all, of course, okay, I will go to my model. Okay, then my courses. Then I'll just select one category or one unit for the sample. Then I'll create, okay, so under general or which week you want or any folder, okay, so I will create now an activity or a resource. Then select quiz. So under the quiz, okay, so this is the question title or question name. So for example, this is drag and drop into text sample 2, okay. Then okay, so no need to write any description. Okay, so I'll just save and display. So with this, we already created, okay, a drag and drop into text quiz. Okay, so now we will add the questions using the drag and drop into text functions. Okay, so questions, I'll go now to the question. Okay, so I'll just make this one as 100, okay, equivalent to 100%. Save, then add a new question. Then, okay, browse it down until the drag and drop into text and select drag and drop into text. Okay, add. So we already, okay, with the drag and drop into text function. Okay, so question name. So let's say this is sample 2. Okay, then the question into text. So for example, we will do first, okay, a single question, single answer. Okay, so let's say our question text, okay, is like a fill in the blank. So a blank is a document that provides information about chemical hazard, safe handling, and emergency procedure. So now we want to drag, okay, the correct answer on this blank. So what we are going to do is to replace the blank into this. Okay, then 1. Okay, so meaning to say this is the correct answer for the question number 1. Okay, so let's say this is question, since this is sample 2, so let's say this is a question 2.1. Okay, so now I'm going to fill up the choices, okay, or the words that we are going to drag for this number 1. Okay, so let's go down. Okay, so first, no need to shuffle yet. Okay, or if you want, we can shuffle the choices. So let's say the correct answer. Okay, what is a document that provides information? So let's say, okay, so choice number 1 should be the correct answer. Okay, so let's say the correct answer is MSDS. So this should be, okay, in the choice number 1. Okay, take note of this. Okay, then we have the other choices. Let's say PTW. Okay, what else? Let's say ITP. Let's say checklist. Okay, so these are the choices. So after that one, we can just simply save. Okay, okay, so this is a drag and drop into text for 1 question and 1 answer. Okay, then let's check. So after that one, okay, after you add the question, okay, so since this is 1 point, okay, we can edit the point distribution. Okay, so default mark, let's say this is 1 question equivalent to 1 point. Okay, so don't forget to edit the default mark. Okay, let's save it again. Okay, so this should be 1 point. Okay, then let's check quiz. Go to quiz, then preview the quiz. Okay, so this is the sample that we created. So the correct answer, okay, will be MSDS. So just drag this one into the text. Okay, so then, okay, finish attempt. Okay, then submit. Okay. There you go. So correct answer is MSDS. Marks 1:1. Okay, grade 100% out of 100%. Okay, now let's do some multiple questions in the same form. Okay, so again, okay, let's just edit the questions. Okay, just go back to the same question and edit questions. Okay, then, okay, so previously we have these questions. Now 2.2. Okay, so let's say this is the question text for question 2.2. Okay, so now we have two blanks, so it requires two correct answers. So since you have already one here, so we're going to just change this underline, okay, or blank into number 2. Okay, then this one into number 3. Okay, so now since our previous choices, okay, number 2, number 3, and number 4 were the wrong answers for the question number 1, and on this time we add question 2.2, which requires two answers, which is the number 2 and number 3. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to remove this thing now. Okay, and we are going to encode the correct answer, okay, for question number 2 or blank number 2, which is in this case, okay, we have the GHS. Okay, and for the question number 3, which is the pictograms. Okay, so these are the correct answer for choice number 1 should be the correct answer on question number 1. Okay, and choice number 2 will be the correct answer on this number 2, and choice number 3 will be the correct answer for this question. Okay, so now we have all the correct answers accordingly. So what we're going to do is we are going to input, okay, any other choices. So for example, from our previous one, we have the PTW. Okay, if we need to add more, okay, just click this one. It will give you additional space for choice number 5, 6, and 7. So ITP, so let's say OHS, diagrams. Okay, so if we want to add more, then okay, just add additional choices. Okay, so layout, ITP, PTW, checklist. Okay, so if you think that's already enough, okay, and if you want this checklist should be appeared in the choices as unlimited, you can click this one, unlimited. Okay, but if you want to appear this word, okay, or this choice, okay, only once, so no need to click this unlimited. Okay, so let's check, okay, the output. So after this one, then save changes. Okay, so let's go now. Okay, by the way, go back to this question. Okay, to edit also, of course, the default mark. So if you want for these questions, 2 questions with 3 answers into 3 points, just edit again the default mark. Okay, put this as 3. Okay, then save changes. Okay, and also edit this one. Okay, enter. So 3 questions, 100%. Okay, so preview quiz. Okay, so it will look like this right now. So 2.1, okay, a blank is a document that provides information about chemical hazard, safe handling, and emergency procedures. So our correct answer is MSDS. Okay, so just drag and drop. Okay, then the blank systems use standardized, okay, to communicate chemical hazards. So our correct answer here is GHS. Okay. Then the second blank, the correct answer is the pictograms. Okay. So now, okay, before that, let's check, okay, which one was unlimited choices. Okay, checklist. So if you will notice the checklist, so if you drag this one, there's another checklist. It's unlimited. Okay, so right now, finish attempt. Okay, then submit. Submit all. Okay, so there you go. Okay, 3 out of 3, 100%. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for today.